Hello, hello. Welcome to Deep Hair Designs. I'm Darlene for Deep Hair Designs. And today I'm just coming to you with So Supreme, which is 5 Supreme Sewists that I like. I have volume 1 and volume 2, so if you want to go back and check those out, I'll try to remember to leave a little iCard. Hopefully I will, but if not, there with the rest of my videos. So the first sewist I want to talk to you about, just looking down at my notes, is Crystal Sews and Stuff. Well, I like her. She makes a lot of great garments. She participates in sewing challenges, and recently she just had a sewing challenge along with Crumpets Tea and Sewing, and they gave a prize to, they did a giveaway and a drawing, and they gave a prize to, I forgot who actually won it, but it was a prize. So that was an incentive for sewing, something that those of us who are sewers already like to do. So that's good. The next sewist that I like is Tamika Grover, and she is with Crumpets Tea and Sewing. That's the one I just mentioned, along with Crystal Sews and Stuff for the challenges. She does have challenges. She does a lot of detailed sewing videos as well. She does a lot of cute things with African prints, which I really like that. So you may want to check that out. You know, summertime, a lot of people have a lot of different African prints they sew with. So if you're interested in that, you can see how she makes those. She just did one really, really nice. It was blue and yellow. You check her website out, you'll see that. It's really nice. And another good thing about her, she makes her own backdrops. Once you go to her website, you'll see those beautiful backdrops. I know in one video someone commented on it and she said that she actually makes them herself, so that's a good thing to do for your own videos. And my third sewist is Sew EJ Style. I really like watching her. She's very nice and personable, just like sitting down having tea or something with a friend, a sewing friend. She also does a lot of pattern hauls and fabric hauls as well. And she also has an Etsy shop and I believe a Poshmark. So if you're into online buying, you might want to check that out. Her last video I just watched about her, she had a purse. I think it was an Italian purse or something. And the purse cost thousands of dollars. I think that was the retail price. And she was going to set that, probably put that on one of her shops to sale, if I'm not mistaken. So you may want to check that out if you're into purses. Be a good thing to see. You can get something that costs that much money for a good discount. And my fourth source that I like is Lifting Pins and Needles. And she does a lot of very detailed sewing videos as well. A lot of sewing instruction. And she show you exactly how she changed the pattern to fit her and all those things. So she's another good one to watch too. So that's Lifting Pins and Needles. And my fifth sewist is Sewing at Midnight. She is so funny. She's very funny. She just you just have to watch one of her videos to see she's funny, straightforward. She'll be just in the floor sometimes doing a video. And she also collaborated with Viv Mom Sews. In one of my previous videos for this, I spoke about Viv Mom. Viv Mom was great too. So Sewing at Midnight is kind of along the lines of talking to Viv Mom Sews. They pretty much kind of have some similarities. And they had a great video together, so you might want to check that out as well. So now I'm going to go to my 5 pattern giveaways. My 5 patterns that I'm going to give away in honor of these 5 wonderful sewists that I love. So my first pattern is McCall's 7747. And the size is 14 through 22. Let me just show you this. It's a nice one. And let me show you the line drawings. Is that something you might be interested in? All right, the second pattern is Simplicity 8332. That's something cute for the summer right now. And the line drawings for that. And the sizes of this pattern is 14 through 22. Third pattern is Simplicity 8333. And the sizes is 12 through 20. And let me show you that. And the line drawings. All these ones are really cute for summer right now. And this is Simplicity 8378. This is one of those pattern hacking. That's pretty cool too. I'll show you that. Okay, and the sizes from this goes from XX small to XXL, extra large. All right. Did I show you the line drawings? I don't think I showed those. Those are the line drawings, how you can take that apart and make that however you want to make it. And the fifth and last pattern I have for is Simplicity 8544. And this is some cute dresses. And the size range 14 through 22. So if that's your size, I can make it work. So those are the line drawings. Okay. So in order to win one of these patterns, just comment, give me a comment on one you would like, or comment on one of these Sewists, and please comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. You have a blessed day. Bye-bye.